So what we set out to do is to be able to do a process that allows a designer or an engineer to make some modifications to the output of that original JSON file and then validate it back through the solvers before finalizing the design or exporting the design. During the process, we'll generate the LOD400 wireframe model. We'll be able to modify the attributes, and then we'll be able to generate the LOD400 of the beams and columns. So I'll demonstrate an interactive process, how it works in CATIA. So first, we're reading this JSON file that came out of Grasshopper in this case, and we'll generate the wireframe, and then from the wireframe, we'll manipulate the attributes.